Do you want to know how you can change language on your Wise account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the language on your Wise account. Go ahead and open wise.com on any of your browser you have on your PC. Then go ahead and log into your account. After you have successfully logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. To change your language, what you need to do is click on your profile, which you see here on the right hand side, and go to Settings. Then scroll a bit down and you can see Language Settings. Currently, it is selected English UK. Now to change it, tap on it and you can see some of the languages which are provided by Wise. So if I want to change my language to Spanish, I'll just go ahead and click on Español, which is over here. Then click on Save. After you click Save, you can see that your language has been changed successfully. Now to change it again, you can see this message type of box. Tap on it and tap on the drop down menu and select English if you want to select English, or you can select some of the languages provided by Wise. So after you click on English, click on this button over here. And in a while the page will reload itself and your language will be changed. So guys, this is how you change the language on your Wise account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.